Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Toyota Sienna cabin air filter. This is a straightforward maintenance task that you can easily do yourself, typically requiring no special tools. Keeping your cabin air filter fresh is essential for maintaining good air quality inside your vehicle and ensuring your heating and air conditioning system operates efficiently. We will guide you through each step to make this process simple and quick. To begin, open your passenger side glove box and remove all items. Next, look on the right side for a small damper arm. Gently detach it by pulling it outward. Then, carefully squeeze the sides of the glove box inward. This action will release the retaining stops, allowing the glove box to swing down fully. This reveals the cabin air filter housing located directly behind it. With the glove box lowered, you will see the cabin air filter housing. Pinch the clips on both sides of the cover and pull it off. Now, gently slide the old filter straight out of its slot. Before inserting the new filter, observe the airflow arrows on the old filter or the housing itself. These arrows typically point downwards or towards the rear of the vehicle. Install your new filter with its airflow arrow pointing in the same direction, ensuring it sits flush. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the filter housing cover, making sure it clicks securely. Next, lift the glove box, aligning its side stops, and gently push it back into position until it locks. Don't forget to reconnect the small damper arm on the right side. Replacing your cabin air filter every 15,000 miles or more frequently in dusty conditions ensures you always breathe clean, fresh air inside your vehicle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.